In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header navigation in Squarespace. If you're looking to customize your website's navigation to better reflect your brand or simplify your site's layout, this step-by-step guide will show you just how to do that. Let's dive right in. First, you'll start by heading over to your Squarespace website editor. To do this, navigate to the back end of your Squarespace account, where you'll have access to all the customization tools that Squarespace offers. Once you're logged in and on your website's dashboard, you'll notice an option typically labeled as Website or Site Editor on the left sidebar. Click on this to enter the main editing area where you'll find all your site elements, including the header. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where your site header is located. Here, you'll want to look for and click on the button that says Edit Site Header. This action will reveal a new set of options specifically for modifying your header. It's an intuitive setup, but finding the right area is essential for making changes effectively. Once you've clicked to edit the header, you'll see an option labeled Navigation. Click on this to enter the navigation settings. This section allows you to manage the links and layout that appear in your header navigation bar. You'll see a list of the current navigation items already set up. These can include links to pages like Home, About, Contact, or any custom links you may have added previously. To personalize these links or adjust their order, find the Edit button, which will allow you to make changes to each navigation item. By clicking Edit, you can rename any of these links to better fit your site's needs or your brand's style. If there's a link you need to remove, you can do that here as well by selecting it and choosing the Delete option. For those looking to reorder the navigation links, click and hold on the specific content you want to move. You can then drag it to a new position within the list. This drag and drop feature is particularly useful for organizing your navigation intuitively, ensuring that your visitors can navigate your site effortlessly. Once you've made your adjustments and are satisfied with how everything looks, remember to hit the Save button. This will ensure that all your tweaks are applied to your live site and you won't lose any of your hard work. Saving is crucial, otherwise your edits might be lost when you leave the editor. By following these steps, you can craft a navigation header that is not only functional, but also aesthetically aligned with your objectives. With confidence, you can now customize your Squarespace site to offer a seamless user experience. Happy editing!